What's up, everybody? Today we have a pair of UNC Jordan 11 lows, and by the end of this video you will learn how to properly give these Jordans a deep clean, and more importantly you will learn how to unyellow these icy soles. And this video starts right now. Okay, everybody, the first thing I like to do is to assess the sneaker, not just for the dirt and grime, but for permanent damages such as burns, deep cuts, tears, whatever the case may be. And the purpose behind this step is to make sure that we're not wasting our time trying to restore a sneaker that we're just not able to fix. Since we're going to be unyellowing these icy soles, here's a little tip I want to share with you guys. Remove all the rocks, glass, gum, whatever's stuck on the bottom of your soles. I like to use toothpicks. They're cheap, they're effective, and if you choose not to follow this step, that is fine, but you will not get the results that you're looking for. And at the end of the day, you're going to have to use more sessions with Salon Care 40 in the long run than what you would have done if you would have just followed this step. The first brush we're going to use is the soft brush. The reason why you want to use this brush is because it makes the most suds and breaks down the dirt. So let's get started into this restoration. The next brush we're moving on to is the medium bristle brush. Let's go. Now the last brush we're going to use is the brass bristle brush. Okay guys, we're pretty much done with this deep cleaning, and in this deep cleaning we use the soft, medium, and brass bristle brush. Now the next step we're going to take is we're going to use, that's right, our laundry sneaker bag. Now if you don't have this bag, that is perfectly fine. You can just fast forward to the video of the next step, but I highly recommend this bag. It will get rid of all the stubborn stains that your brushes can't handle, and more importantly, it just makes the sock liner look so clean in the tongues. It just works very well. So the first thing we're gonna do, let's get all this stuff out of the way like this. And now we're gonna wanna open up our sneaker laundry bag like so. And we're gonna start to insert our Jordans. And how you wanna do it is you wanna push it as far as you can to the back wall so it fits tight and securely. And it just makes it so much easier to zip it up at the end. And another thing, guys, is whatever you do, do not forget your shoelaces. Okay, if you want these cocaine white again, you cannot forget the shoelaces. So let's just stuff that in the bottom of this bag too. There we go, just like so. And now we're gonna insert the second Jordan right there. Once you get your pair of sneakers zipped up and secured in your sneaker laundry bag, I would say that you're ready to rock and roll. Now I'm gonna take these pair of UNC Jordan 11s and head down to my laundry room. So come on guys, follow me. The supplies I'm going to use is Saran Wrap, the Salon Care 40, one pair of gloves, and the brush to apply the Salon Care 40. Now move all this stuff out your way so you have a clean work area. And the first thing you're going to do is put on your gloves. The reason why you're going to put on the gloves, because this is a bleaching agent and this chemical will harm you. If you leave this chemical on your hands, it will bleach the shit out of your hands. Trust me, I've done it and it looked like Michael Jackson. So grab your brush and dip it into your container. I'm using the bottle cap of the Salon Care 40 itself. And don't be afraid to use a lot of this shit. Trust me, the more the better, alright? Alright guys, take 2 pieces of saran wrap and put it on the bottom of your icy soles. Once you have the saran wrap on your icy soles, gently compress the saran wrap evenly throughout the sneaker. Now we are working with a bleaching agent, so be careful when doing this step because you run the risk of getting the bleaching agent on your uppers, and depending on what the material is, it is irreversible. Now once you get this all done, you have 2 options. You can take it outside in the sun, or you could have an indoor setup. If you don't have an indoor setup, that is fine, but that is where we're going today, to the indoor setup. Now let's go. Okay guys, we are finally done with this restoration, and in this restoration we gave these Jordan 11s a deep clean and unyellowed the icy soles. Now if you learned anything in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, as it will help my channel grow. Therefore I'll be able to create more content for you guys. And also, if you know anybody who would benefit from learning how to unyellow the sneakers, then share this with them. And hopefully you guys will share this with many more people. Now, with no further ado, here are the before and after shots. Thanks a lot, guys.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it.